Breaking news mga kababayan, naku po, ito na naman. Win Gatchalian durog kay Marcoleta at kay Madam Amy Marcos. Dahil nga dito sa Bicam, naka-live na kasi ito mga kababayan. Walang dokumento na maipakita ang DPWH. Tila meron na namang kabuyahan at kabangagan ang ginagawa. So ngayon mga kababayan, supalpal ngayon itong si Win Gatchalian na tila kahina-hinala din ang mga galawan. Ito yung mga sinasabi ng mga komento. Nagulat din si Bongo dito, ba't ganon? Kaya si Senador Marcoleta, binuljak ngayon sila mga kababayan at ni Senador Amy. Yan kasi yung mga nababalita. Pati sa comment, galit na rin mga kababayan. Hanggang ngayon mga sabog kayo. Nasaan ang dokumento? Ayan o, Senator Amy Marcos, binanatan ang DPWH sa Bicam. Nasaan ang mga dokumento ng budget? Aba, tila merong ginagawa na namang kasabugan ang mga ito Hindi pa natatapos yung problema. Ito na naman kayo Tila party-party na naman. Kaya pala ayaw nyong i-live stream ito Buti na lang. Itong si Senador Marcoleta mautak. Nautakan kayo. Na talagang pilit ipinaglaban na gawing live stream itong Bicam na usapin na ito kasi dito nangyayari ang ang kawatan Dito nangyayari ang umpisa ng mga pagnanakaw So ngayon mga kababayan, may madudurog ngayon. Yan kasi yung nasa comment. Durog si Win Gatchalian. Pati itong mga DPWH na ito na puro kawatan. Itong si Dison na ito, mukhang may ginagawa na namang kabalbalan Yun ang sinasabi ng komento. Ba't ganito kayo, DPWH? Wala pang nakukulong, nagsisimula na naman kayong umari-ari ba? Bulsa na naman ito? Para makapagnakaw na naman itong DPWH ito? Sino na naman ang mga proponents ito? Walang listahan ng mga ng dokumento ng budget So, i-check natin kung totoo ang mga ito, mga kababayan. Totoo kaya na meron na namang ginagawa ang DPWH kasi wala pong may pakitang dokumento ng budget. Nako po, supalpal sila kay Senador Amy at Caro Dante Marcoleta. Panoorin po natin mga kababayan, paano na buljak ang mga ito. Buti na lang matalino itong si Marcoleta. Ito po, huling-huli sila sa akto. Yun yung tanong, nahuli sa akto. Totoo kaya ito mga kababayan? Panoorin natin kasi syempre papanoorin natin sabay-sabay pagkatapos magko-komento tayo. Ito po.
Maliwanagan lang sana ang minorya. Pagkat wala po akong nakikitang budget ng DPWH at kung talagang transparency ang habol natin, bakit wala rito ang pinagmulan ng pagpopoot at kawalang kampiyansa ng taong bayan sa atin? Dapat mag-umpisa ang usapin dito sa Public Works. Pero wala sa anumang papel, sa 9-page summary o dito man sa binigay sa atin kahapon lamang na reconciliation of disagreeing provisions. Bakit po walang budget yung DPWH?
Ang schedule po ng DPWH ay bukas po.
Paano natin malalaman at maihahambing ang iba't ibang mga department kung may kulang? At bakit DPWH lang ang nawawala sa talakayan?
Actually, may mga ibang mga items po ho na bukas po itatalakay katulad po ng mga special purpose funds, and program appropriations. So tomorrow
Yung
po
program po nandito.
Tomorrow po ang tomorrow ho yung pag-uusapan.
Pero narito na. Andito naman yung unprogrammed at hinanap ko talaga. Arito naman yung unprogrammed. Dito sa page 31 ng page 32 na kumpleto, Kaya pinagtatakahan ko bakit yung DPWH wala po. At kung tatalakayin bukas, maaari bang ibigay sa amin ng mas maaga pagkat yung committee report, kung maalala ko, ay mahigit kumulang 1,000 at 500 pahina.
Noted po. We'll provide Her Honor the documents ahead of time.
Kailan kaya matatapos yung DPWH budget? Kasi yun talaga ang inaasahan ng taong bayan.
Rest assured po na ipro-provide po sa Her Honor at sa lahat po ng conferees, hindi lang po sa Senate but also sa House of Representatives po.
I would like to acknowledge on the part of the House, Representative Rufus Rodriguez for a manifestation.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Chair Win Gatchalian of the Senate and all the distinguished senators who are here and my distinguished colleagues. Really, as stated by the chairman, Article 6, the Legislative Department, under Section 24, really gives the original exclusive jurisdiction on budgets, on appropriations to the House. But of course, the Senate has also the power to propose and concur with amendments. And doing our duty, as what the chair, Mika, has said, the 255.5 billion of flood control and budget of the DPWH, in the first instance, was distributed by the House of Representatives to first 90 billion to health, 56 billion to education, and 53 billion to agriculture. Practically 211 billion of the 255.5. So that is to follow the presidential directive that we have to focus, as stated by former Congressman of Senator Erwin here, Tulfo, that education, health, and also agriculture will be given priority. So therefore, we have taken the lead and we are very happy that the Senate has likewise studied the budget and has also made proposals to further enhance our support for education, health, and agriculture. Thank you very much, Madam Chair and Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, both chairs, please. Yes, with all due respect, and I am compelled to disagree without being disagreeable. It was mentioned that certain funds are not included in this submission, when in fact, both are in fact here. On page 31, as mentioned earlier, the unprogrammed funds are already listed quite adequately, and the special purpose fund that were supposedly not here are quite clearly denominated in page 29 as special purpose funds. So ang tanging kulang lamang ay yung mahiwagang DPWH. Yun lang po.
Bukas po, hindi ho lahat ng mga items ho dito matatapos ho natin. Hopefully ho matapos, but from our estimate, baka hindi ho matapos. So bukas ho natin i-deliberate yung ibang mga agencies. Kasama po special purpose funds, kasama na rin po yung mga ibang mga ahensya.
Yes, maraming salamat po. Sana bigyan kami ng konting panahon para mabasa ng maigi at mapag-aralan yung lalo na yung DPWH. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Any more conferees who want to make an opening statement? Meron pa hong mga...
Maybe I should. I wasn't going to. I just wanted to greet all our colleagues in the House of Representatives, both the first termers and those that I've worked with for a very long time. And I was once in your house. We understand and appreciate and recognize the concerns of the district representatives. We are one with you in serving our people in the grassroots. At the same time, we are grateful to the House of Representatives for allocating correctly the more than 250 billion from DPWH flood control to projects which will benefit the people much better, stressing on the importance of education and health. I take note that the House allocated at least 60 billion for education. You will be happy to note that the Senate, through our very hard-working and education-focused chair, even increased it to more than 85 billion. And this would be, I believe, in the history of our country, even when I chaired the Finance Committee for 2 administrations for 5 years with 3 chairs of the House of Representatives, never happened before. For that, we're really grateful to the chair. Aside from that, we are grateful to the House as well for indicating in the HGAB the 60 billion bayad utang which rightfully belongs to PhilHealth. We also take note that in the NEP, there's a 53 billion from the syntax allocation for PhilHealth. However, let me please put it on record that the 53 billion is an incomplete NEP proposal. Kulang po ng 16 billion per the computation made by the Senate. I appeal to the BICAM to put what is rightfully belonging to health. Attorney Rufus Rodriguez, my lawyer from 20 plus years ago, would agree. Kung ano po ang batas ay dapat sundin. It is not a matter of unfunded law. That is for the universal health care to take care of. We are talking about the syntax allocation, which for several years were not funded according to the allocation. Magbibigay ng konti, hindi ipupuno. There is something terribly wrong here. Let me just put on record, Mr. Chair, that there is a 236.91 billion funds missing, which should go to public health, and that's to PhilHealth. And this would include the multi-year earmarking of the syntax, which were not funded, including the NEP of 53 billion. We also take note that the 2025
Ayan mga kababayan, tignan po natin ang mga komenta or komento ng mga kababayan natin. Alam na, galing talaga ng mga korap, iniiwas talaga ang DPWH sa pagkakagatas sila ng korupsyon. Kailangan nila ng pondo na naman sa impeachment. Bakit gatyal yan? Lulutuin nyo? Nakasama mga crooks dyan sa mababang kapulungan? Yes, true. DSWD na budget, naghati-hati ng opisyal, government, mayor, kapitan at DSWD leaders. Naku po. Talagang walang kabusugan ang mga hunghang, pinaplano pa ng mga buhaya kung magkano ang kanilang nanakawin. Imbestigahan din ng BIR, lalo na sa Zamboanga Peninsula, Zamboanga del Sur, marami din anak nakawan doon. Kung ano yung ebidensya na nagsimula ang grabing nakawan, yun pa ang wala. Delaying tactics ba ito para hindi lubos sa mapag-aralan late ibibigay? Dapat budget ang DPWH ang nandyan, mauna sinful. Imbestigahan lahat ang ahensya ng gobyerno. Sure yan, may mga nakawan din. Nangyayari, magpalit-palit man tayo ng Pangulo kung ang mga ahensya ng gobyerno ay sila-sila pa din. Di mawawalang korupsyon. Naku, nakakaiyak ito. Huwag bigyan ng budget ang DPWH kung hindi klaro. Parang wala ng pagbabago. Naku po. Gatyal yan. Ano ka dyan? Isa ka rin bang buhaya? Sabi ni Perding. Alam na mekos-mekos na naman yan. DPWH. Buti na lang. Nandyan si Marcoleta at Manang Aimee. All-purpose fund mayroon ba? Alaka. Mga kababayan, bantayin natin yung 25,000 school building. Alam na this. Tapos sa flood control project sa mga school building na naman, silang magnanakaw. Maging alerto tayo mga kababayan, dapat ilagay sila sa portal kung anong mga lugar itatayo ang mga school building para bantayan natin. Maigi kasi ang mga magnanakaw excited na sa paglimas ng 2026 budget. Yung mastermind na si Angag-Angag Jr. nagmamadali na nating na kating-kati na ang kamay sa, nako po, agtakaw manin, nako po. Grabe ito mga kababayan ko. Kailangan daw ng budget sa impeachment, halaka. May small committee pa po, kaya after the BICAM, nako po, transparent din po kaya. Thank you, more power po an Marcoleta, halaka. Tinatago na naman nila kasi andyan lagi magnanako ng pondo, useless lang yung open BICAM kasi nakatago pa rin. yung pinagsimulan ng pagnanakaw sa tax ng tao ng bayan. Ayos! Lahat ng department ninakawan. Halaka. Grabeng pagnanakaw ito. DPWH, bakit wala kayo? Ano yun, delaying tactics ba ito? Sabi ni Mang Kanor, laging nang kakanor, halaka.
Did not have the syntax allocation, which miraculously disappeared in the GAA. We, both houses of Congress, owe that to the Filipino people. Having said that, I will discuss this further when the Health Department is brought on the floor. But let me state our appreciation for restoring in the HGAB the bayad utang when the DOF took out the PhilHealth 60 billion and returned it. Let me just state also later when we discuss the PhilHealth and the health budget that it was returned in the HGAB and Congress was the one that enumerated the possible utilization of the funds. Let the legal luminaries and let my lawyer, Attorney Rufus Rodriguez, think about it, whether this is really in compliance with the Supreme Court decision, because the Supreme Court says, in my understanding, that it should be returned to the Treasury. It was taken from the excess funds of PhilHealth. It was not taken with enumeration of the utilization of the funds. I put that on the table. I will leave it to the body to decide. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair?
Madam Chair.
I would like to recognize our Senior Vice Chairperson, also the sponsor of the Department of Health, Representative Albert Garcia.
Maraming salamat, Madam Chair, Mr. Chair, Senator Win, sa ating mga fellow conferees from the House and the Senate. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Tama po yung sinabi ni Senator Loren na binalik na po o ibabalik na po ang 60 billion sa PhilHealth nung nawala nung 2025 budget. And this was discussed during the DOH defense, which I did in the House of Representatives. At isa po sa nagtanong nung defense ay walang iba kundi yung ating chair regarding the budget of PhilHealth and DOH na kung lalagyan po natin ng mas malaking budget, which they deserve at under the law, karapat-dapat po para sa ating beneficiaries, dapat lang in-emphasize ng ating chair na i-expand pa nila yung kanilang package. Kasi right now, alam po natin what's happening on the ground na very limited po or a small percentage of the hospital bill or yung coverage ng PhilHealth ang na-charge sa kanila. And our constituents, mga kababayan po natin, have to shoulder a huge part of their hospital bill or healthcare bill. So we are in agreement sa House and the Senate na talagang by law, dapat madagdagan pa yung kanilang budget, pero dapat makita nila yung kanilang responsibilidad na bilisan pa nila ang pag-expand ng mga package para agarang maramdaman ng ating mga kababayan. Of course, for now, dahil hindi pa ho ayos yung sistema ng universal healthcare, malaking tulong po yung MyFIP. Dahil part of the hospital bill or healthcare expense ay na-charge natin doon.
So yan mga kababayan, kailangan po nating magbantay kasi itong mga buhaya po na ito, lalong-lalo na po dito sa iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno, lalong-lalo na itong pinakabuhaya sa lahat na DPWH, na talagang nandyan lahat yung mga iba't ibang uri ng kawatan. Tignan nyo po, unang Bicam live stream, wala yung DPWH. Bakit? Di ba mga kababayan, may plano na naman kayong magnakaw? Hoy, gumising kayo, mga kawatan, loyalista, gising na. Imbes makatulong kayo sa Pilipinas, kayo mga loyalista nga, huwag kayong tatanga-tanga. Gumising kayo sa katotohanan na niloloko na kayo. Huwag kayong loyalista na tatanga-tanga. Yan po ang sinasabi ni ni Kusapu ng Lingayen, Pangasinan. Okay po, mga kababayan, galit na galit yung mga tao. Mag-comment po kayo mga kababayan. Yan lamang po ang ating bahagi. Once again, ako si The Wonders Philippines for transparency, for a better democracy. Isang like, isang share po, at isang subscribe. And comment nyo po kung anong lugar po kayo. Abroad man o Pilipinas. Mag-comment kayo kasi i-reply ko isa-isa. Okay po? Salamat po ng marami mga kababayan ko. Suportahan po natin yung mga mabubuting mga senador, mga politiko, gaya ni Senador Marcoleta. Okay po? Salamat po.